So a couple days ago, I posted a few polls on my Instagram story at Shamar Crossfield asking you guys to pick which photo looks better out of the two options presented 3 different times. What you guys didn't know is that one was taken by a beginner photographer, aka me, and the other by a pro photographer, aka not me. Now, here's how it went down. So hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here, welcome back to the channel, and I have Mathu Campbell and Sadara from Adventures with us, and we're going to be doing a beginner versus pro photographer challenge. I'm going to allow Mathu to just say how long he's been doing it because I'm the beginner, he's the pro over there.
I am not a professional photographer by any means. I've been doing photography for probably it's actually 6 years. For 6 years, and I am not a pro photographer. It's a hobby and it's something I just do. You're the pro.
You know, we have Sadara from Adventures with us. She's a beautiful model right here today. Yeah, so we're gonna start because I don't think we can be able to do it in Emancipation Park. So we're gonna go on the outskirts of the park and yeah. So the first image is going to be taken out here, somewhere along here, and we're going to try our best. Matthew is currently setting up his camera right now, and then we're going to start taking the pictures. So I gotta go first. This is my shot that I'm gonna try and take. Just the any pose you want, man.
You're taking right?
Alright, take one where you look, just like that. Like over that side. Come in front of like this, and then yeah, you can look directly in the camera. Love it. So that's me, yeah. That's me. Matthew can go on now.
Hey guys, this is my shot. Come around. Let me see eyes. Alright.
Alright, so the end of round recap. So at the end of the first set, I decided to go with this picture of Sadara. To be honest, I'm in love with this picture. I mean, like the colors, the look on her face, the lighting, just everything about it is just so appealing to me. And Matthew decided to go ahead with this picture. Alright, so we just finished taking the first set of shots. The next set of shots gonna be here in the road. So hope for the best. Let's go. Let's go. So now it's Matthew's turn. Really hope I did good. I don't know how good this camera did. Really hope it did good though. And at the end of the second round, I decided on this shot that I got. The lighting, the background, everything just seemed right, you know, with this picture. And Matthew decided to put this shot up in the running. Alright, so now it's time for the third shot. We're going to be taking a picture of that sign right there. Never mind, stop. Matthew decided a landscape shot would probably be better, so that's exactly what we shot for our last photo. So unique. And just like that, we got the pictures. I chose this shot and Matthew sent up this shot. So basically we're going to end off the video now. It's been kind of a busy morning.
A really busy morning.
Yeah, it's been kind of a busy morning. So what's gonna happen now, we're gonna edit the pictures. Matthew's going to send me 3 out of the different set that we took, and then we're gonna post them on the IG to let the people vote. And yeah, that's really it for this part of the video. So stick around for the other half. What?
He took like 500 pictures.
Me took 500?
Yeah, his camera's like
No. Anyways, so I'll see you guys when I'm back home and may I post a picture then. Anything to say? Wait.
I have nothing to say other than that it was good.
Yeah, subscribe to Mathu Campbell.
What he said.
Adventures with us.
Subscribe to Adventures with Us.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day and finally I have the pics. All the pics have been edited and now I'm going to be putting up the IG poll to really determine who wins this challenge. So let me start the screen recording now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do... Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put up something basically, you know, I'm going to be giving you guys a heads up that I'm going to be posting these pictures now. And I'm going to put these little emojis to just show next post, next post, next post. Let's hope that people actually view my stories now. I'm going to put up the first set, which I think will just be actually made, we look at the Barb's folder. I actually made a folder for this. So which one first? I think I'm going to start off with the one with Sadara outside of Emancipation Park. That's my photo at the top. And I'm gonna put Matthew's on at the bottom. I'm gonna put this now, this little pole. Top, bottom. Which one slaps more, I guess. So we'll see which one people choose out of this one. Right now, I think, here are my predictions, right? I think Matthews is going to win. Matthews has this huge background blur right now that my camera just has nothing on. Now for the next one, I'm going to put Matthews on at top. So I'm gonna match it up evenly. Wait, I think I need to crop Matthews. I think I need to crop it. Wait, let me crop it. I don't know. At first I thought mine would win, but I'm kind of thinking otherwise now. Top, bottom. Personally, I think mine is better. But Matthew's lens, I have nothing on Matthew's lens. I know Matthew edited that pic. I don't know, I think this one might actually be super close. So far, we have 2 votes for bottom. So, Matthew's one is, yeah, his one is going hard. This one just went up. So, we gotta check back and see. But now time for the final set of photos to go up. These are the ones that we took off the building. These were landscape images. So I'm gonna put Matthew's at the top, and this is my edit. Personally, I feel like Matthew's one is better though. Top, bottom, posting. So there's 24 hours. I'm gonna leave these up for 24 hours, and we're gonna get back and see how well these do. The results will be ready with you guys in 24 hours. Alright, so it's the next day. We're 24 hours later, ready to see the results, ready for check back and see exactly who win. The results are in, guys. Here we have them. Let's take a look. Ooh, 299 people saw the first story, so okay. These results are actually pretty much expected. These ones are actually expected. I'm not surprised. I've been checking them back like occasionally, so I'm not surprised by the results. Honestly, Matthew's image, I would have chosen it as well. So Matthew's image won this one. It's a really good image. I think the background blur is really what caught so many people. Yeah, I don't blame him. It is a nice image. It's a nice image. I really like my own though. I'm really proud of how it turned out. It was the first image, or it was in the first set of images I shot for the day. 56 of you guys voted for the top one, 113 for the bottom one. Overall, it's a good image, and I can see why people voted for Matthew's one. So that's 1 point for Matthew. Alright, in the next set, we have my image coming out on top. My own came out on top in this one. I really think the colors are what stood out, the colors in my image, and made people vote for it. It's overall a pretty bright image. That's what I was going for. I wanted it to stand out, the pose that she was making, the hair blowing in the wind, the colors on her shirt. I really wanted those to stick out. 46 people voted for Matthew's and 124 people voted for mine. So y'all, you have taste. So that's 1 point for me. So right now me and Matthew evened up. And for the final set, Matthew's own came out on top. 52% of people voted for Matthew's and 48% voted for mine. Me not wrong, no? It's a good image. Mathu, I would have voted for Matthew's own. I'm not biased, but my bias. It's a good image. It's a real good image. I was trying a thing with my bottom one. I don't know if I don't think it really worked out, but I'm surprised that the margin was this close. 91 people voted for Matthew's and 85 people voted for mine. That's actually a really close margin. I wasn't expecting that. Well, overall, I have to say, not very surprised by the results. So that's 1 point for me and 2 points for Matthew. Matthew is the winner. Congrats to Shot by Matthew. Everybody give him a round of applause. Guys, when I make the pro beat me, the pro actually win. Make sure to check out @Shot by Matthew. That's Matthew's Instagram page. That's his photography page. Make sure to check him out. His link is in the description box below, and it's also on the screen. You'll see like his @ right here. Make sure to follow him and check out his vlog channel. He does vlogs over there and some tech reviews every now and then. But you guys will see the behind the scenes vlog from his perspective on his channel. So once that's available, I'm going to be making a community post, but make sure to subscribe, check out his channel. Overall, he's a pretty creative guy, guys. He's one of the most underrated content creators in Jamaica. Honestly, check him out. He's also one of my longtime friends. And special shout out to Sadara. Thank you for coming and helping us with this challenge, Sadara. You've been a great model, guys. Big up Sadara in the comments, please. And make sure to check out her channel. You guys know her from Adventures With Us. Check out her channel. She and Rikisha post so frequently. What else can I say? What else can I say? You guys really just wanna beat me out, man. Wanna beat me out. Wanna beat me out. Wanna make the pro win. Come on, man. I thought I could trust y'all. Just kidding, just kidding. I have some shoutouts to give you guys. Wait, let me pull them up.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so shout out to Jaim So Saucy, Time with Rochelle, and Jada Lee for being some of the first channels to comment on my last video, which was a Pixel video. I really appreciate the support you guys give. It means so much to me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. But make sure to check out their channels, and I think this is where the video ends, guys. Leave a comment letting me know what you thought of the video, and if you're looking forward to seeing the behind the scenes vlog that I shot, because I think there's a lot of interesting stuff in that vlog that you guys may want to see. So I'm not hold up on the time no longer. That's really been it. Yeah, if you guys want to see more of these challenges, or if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video, let me know, and me and Matthew are gonna link up back. So yeah, that's been it. Shamar Crossfield. You can tell me action, you know.
My hair is amazing. I'm sorry, guys.
Alright, so we're going to remove those stuff.